Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm afternoon and welcome to the Global Payments Innovation Awards 2023 hosted by the Digital Banker. Now, my name is Nirav Patel. I'm the Managing Director of the Digital Banker and, of course, Global Private Banker. For those of you joining us for the very first time, as this is an inaugural program, a very big thank you for undertaking the rigorous submission process. We are aware that the Digital Banker does tend to ask for relatively intricate data sets, which really allows us to assess the best benchmarked practices, allows us to look at the best innovation, trailblazing initiatives across the payments ecosystem. Now, you may ask, we have traditionally always focused on incumbent banks and of course neobanks over the last half a decade. But of course our readers, subscribers, the organizations we work with really did ask, and there was a lot of demand for a Payments Innovation Awards. And this is on the back of banks, large banks, organizations such as JP investing billions of dollars in payment infrastructures, really looking to up their game and to drive initiatives across the payments ecosystem. Now, we work with a number of fintech organizations, and we can see the valuation of these organizations is second to none. When we look at VC funding, we see that there is a significant uptake in the amount of private equity and VC funding when it comes to payments, whether it's in the buy now, pay later scheme, whether it's in cross-border payments, digital payments, card payments, cryptos, whatever it is. This is certainly an industry that shows absolutely no sign of slowing down. We anticipate the market will be worth, global digital payments ecosystem will be worth around $20 trillion in 2026, with a significant uptake in year-on-year growth. So it's truly exciting to be hosting this inaugural program, bringing together worldwide organizations, large and small, to be honored here today on this global platform. Now, those of you who have entered through a virtual lobby, please be aware this has been strategically crafted to augment your rewards. There are a number of features. We would love for you to take advantage of them. Go ahead and download a number of our assets, such as the Digital Banker magazine. There are also some research insights reports that you can take advantage of. Most importantly for yourselves, there is a photo booth to commemorate yourselves and your teams and your achievements. All of these assets will be shared. We've also set up a dedicated recording room. Now, the purpose of this room, ladies and gents and honorees, is for you to actually go and take 2 to 3 minutes to record a narrative, a speech, whether it's on a new initiative, trends, themes, opportunities that you're identifying in the payment space. And of course, this will be broadcasted across our digital channels at a later stage. In a short time, I'm going to introduce you to our head of research, Mubashir Kazmi, who is going to be delivering 5 or 6 minutes, maybe less, of key insights. Of course, this is an awards ceremony. We're not here to hear from me. We're not here to hear from anyone else from the Digital Banker. We're here to honor our honorees and to hear from you. We have got a remarkable Payment Leaders Symposium actually set up, which will follow just after Mubashir. Now, these leaders, these innovators will have 2 to 3 minutes maximum to talk a little bit about the themes and the trends that they're seeing in the organizations, but also in the ecosystem and in the industry. So, ladies and gents, without further ado, please allow me to introduce Mubashir Kazmi, who's the head of research at the Digital Banker, to give you 2 to 3 minutes worth of insights. Mubashir, over to you.
Everybody to the Key Insights briefing. So I'll be walking you through some of the select findings that we've observed and tracked from this year's program. Next. So today we'll be looking to cover key trends really that are shaping the global payments landscape. And this is based on our view of the very fast changing payments ecosystem and all the interesting institutional initiatives that are being captured through our program. Clearly, with the introduction of new payment rails, payment standards such as ISO 20022, the evolving payment regulatory frameworks, there's just never been a more conducive time for the formation of real-time payment networks within domestic markets, as well as some of these intra-regional schemes and global cross-border networks. And this is being further augmented with open banking, API enablement, and the rise of cloud-based payments as a service delivery model to address customer needs for instant, seamless, and secure payment transactions. So efficiencies and technology are really driving this global interoperability, making connectivity between disparate payment systems possible, and also enabling financial access and inclusion to varying customer segments across different jurisdictions. Next. So we have our own proprietary assessment framework for evaluating the best-in-class entries. And the key criteria that we look at include innovation, it includes engagement, transaction security, and payment experience. So our inaugural program is really garnered a strong interest from institutions globally. At an award category level, the primary thrust and the focus of these institutions has been on payment service innovation awards, with 48% of submissions reflecting these initiatives. A key standout that I would like to mention is Parkopedia and its in-car payment platform that is providing a very neutral, integrated solutions, for instance, for drivers that have to deal with multiple parking apps and very complex payment processes. But now they've managed to capture 60% of all new connected vehicles in Europe and 25% worldwide. The other player that we were tracking closely is South Africa's PayFlex, which has introduced interest-free payment solutions for the South African customer base in terms of being able to enable fast approval, ease of use, and zero cost. And PayFlex has really connected its 500,000 plus user base with 2,500 merchants across South Africa. Next. So looking at entries that we've also received overall per award category, the most sought after was the Best Payments-led Financial Inclusion Initiative at 17%. Some very interesting initiatives that came include PayCode, which has been fairly transformational for farmers, for instance, in rural Zambia. And so this company has issued biometric smart cards, and they're enabling users to receive digital payments for the sale of their agricultural products. Likewise, we have the Jordan-based mobile wallet Dinarax implementation of ProgressSoft's mobile payments platform that has also proven to be quite transformational in terms of the financial transactions, and particularly the seamless and secure mobile payment functionalities that it's offering. Finally, also, there's ACI Worldwide and its collaboration with Peru's Electronic Clearinghouse, which has facilitated a very impressive 1,000 year-on-year growth of real-time payments. And the important aspect, of course, is that this modern payment infrastructure is supporting the expansion of transaction growth and potentially also servicing the existing 70% of unbanked Peruvians. Next. So as you can see, really, these insights reflect how various payment service providers and technology companies are leveraging those best-in-class architecture and frameworks to facilitate transaction volumes and flows. These are truly game-changing initiatives and transforming communities, as well as being able to enable financial access. With that, I'll conclude the briefing and pass it back to Nirav. Thank you all for listening and hope you enjoy the rest of the ceremony.
Thank you very much, Mobasher. And ladies and gents, I hope you found those high-level insights helpful and insightful. Of course, there will be a far more comprehensive review of our assessment, which will be made available to the general public and across the digital bankers channels. Now, as Mobasher mentioned, we do have our own proprietary assessment framework that we apply across all verticals of the digital finance economy. For payments, you would all have been made aware of exactly how we judge that. I would like to also thank our external judges who we brought in as co-judges. I believe there were 5 to 6 seminal payment leaders. With that, ladies and gents, let's go straight into the trophy ceremony, the Payments Innovation Symposium. Sorry, I'm jumping ahead there, getting excited myself. So we do have, I believe, a number of individuals. I think there are relatively few, I think 10 or 8 leaders who will be giving no more than 2 to 3 minutes into how they're finding the state of the payments ecosystem, some of the initiatives that their organizations are driving. So thank you, ladies and gents, for actually joining us. I would like to, I believe we did have a gentleman from Parkopedia who is unfortunately maybe expecting some technical difficulties. So as a result, if we can go over to the second person within our payment symposium, and that is from TreviPay. Now here we have Piers Gorman, Melbourne, who is the Managing Director of Asia Pacific, and he's joining us live. Piers, if you can hear me and you're audible, please come through. The floor is yours. You'll just need to unmute there, Piers.
I am not muted.
There we go, we can hear you.
Cool. Technologies resolved, thank you. Well, thank you very much for the opportunity to give a brief introduction. My name is Piers Gorman. I'm the Regional Managing Director for TreviPay for Asia Pacific, based in Melbourne. A short introduction to TreviPay. We're a 45-year-old or so fintech headquartered in Kansas City in the US of A. Our focus is on B2B, and we do that through white-labeled payment invoicing networks. And we're currently operating in around 32 countries across the world. Our focus is on 4 verticals: manufacturing, wholesale, retail, travel hospitality, and then horizontal in the marketplace and e-commerce space. And we view our purpose to help businesses grow. So we do that through helping them simplify and reduce the friction for their B2B customers across the various channels in which they order from that merchant. For those of you that know B2B, you'll understand that every B2B business has different processes, and in the procure-to-pay processes, that also rings true. So we see our role is to help the merchant ensure that their order-to-cash process marries up and supports their customers' individual procure-to-pay processes. If you can do that, then you can drive loyalty and ultimately drive growth. So how do we do that? Well, we do it primarily through our technology platform, but we also have the ability to marry up or provide funding of the working capital, the risk associated with the receivables, and we wrap around this various services. We believe we built a best-in-class platform for trade credit. However, we have long felt we can move faster with partners. So we recently opened up what we call our Financial Partner Gateway. And this gateway allows us to open up our technology to other financial institutions to leverage our platform and to help them to access funding areas of their enterprise and corporate customers that they wouldn't otherwise be able to access. Importantly, this is not vaporware. We are delighted to have our first global banking partner on board and running in a number of APAC countries, and we'll be releasing news about that in the near future. So it remains for me to thank the Digital Banker for this opportunity, and I look forward to collaborating with many of you in the future in the coming years. Thank you again.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Piers, and we look forward to hearing a little bit more about your global banking partner in due course. And that was Piers Gorman, Managing Director of APAC from TreviPay. Ladies and gents, let's move over to the next payments leader, this time from Chargeback Gurus. And here we have joining us Melissa Hendrick, who is the CMO, Chief Marketing Officer. Over to you, Melissa.
Hello, everyone. I'm Melissa Hendrick, Chief Marketing Officer for Chargeback Gurus. As a recognized digital banker best payment solution by a vendor, I'd like to share with you a little bit about Chargeback Gurus and the chargeback trends that we're seeing. Chargeback Gurus is an industry leader in chargeback alerts, prevention, and recovery. As a trusted advisor to all the major card networks and companies of all sizes and industries, we are proud to boast that we have recovered hundreds of millions of dollars in lost revenue for our clients. According to the Merchant Risk Council, global chargeback volume is expected to exceed $117 billion into 2024. Because of this, 38% of merchants are making improving their chargeback dispute processes a top priority. This is one of the many reasons why we help our clients better protect and recover their revenue by providing flexible, data-driven chargeback management solutions that leverage the perfect blend of technology, continued innovation, and of course, the brilliance of people. If you'd like to learn more about Chargeback Gurus or the trends that we're seeing in the industry, please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much for your time.
And thank you very much, Melissa. That was from Chargeback Gurus. We're going to move over, ladies and gents, to the fourth speaker from our symposium. And he is from an organization called Corpay. none other than David Britton, the Managing Director of Asia Pacific. David, pleasure to see you on screen there. Over to you for a few words.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, financial technology is shaping the landscape of business transactions. Today, I want to share the remarkable growth story of Corpay Cross-Border Solutions, a company which is part of the FleetCor family. In 2021, we formed Corpay by merging the acquired brands Afex and Cambridge Global Payments. And earlier this year, we welcomed Global Reach Group into our family. This has bolstered our capabilities and expanded our reach. This has been reflected in our recent second quarter results, which exceeded expectations and has showcased the expertise of Corpay in corporate payments. We saw a 30% increase in revenue, amounting to an impressive 247 million year-on-year growth. Our corporate payments business has carved out a niche of excellence. Our aim is to transform the way businesses operate globally, transcending geographical constraints and making transactions as smooth and effortless as domestic transfers. Picture a business landscape where automation is the norm and digital connectivity is part of the goal. In this rapidly evolving world, complexity can be a stumbling block for many. Traditional payment processes struggle to keep up with the pace of change, and this is where Corpay steps in. We stand ready to guide businesses, regardless of size, through the transformation from outdated payment methods to smarter, more efficient alternatives. Our products are designed to streamline operations, eliminate manual inefficiencies, and ensure transactions are made with the speed and control needed to minimise risk. Our journey is not just about moving funds, it's about nurturing relationships, fostering connections, and empowering businesses to thrive in an interconnected global marketplace. We envision a future where every payment is as effortless and as secure as a local transaction, no matter where you are on the map. Through strategic partnerships, local relationships, cutting-edge technologies, and a relentless commitment to excellence, we're driving the vision forward. As we celebrate the growth of Corpay, we extend our gratitude to our dedicated team, our invaluable partners, and the investors who believe in the journey. Together, we're revolutionising corporate payments, paving the way for the future where a world is truly a network of interconnected opportunities. Thank you very much.
Excellent. Thank you very much, David, for those insights. Some impressive numbers there as well, and we'll look forward to hearing from Corpay a little later on this afternoon. We'll move over now to the 5th out of the 10th speaker on the symposium. Let's hear now from Carol Elias, who is the Strategy Manager at ProgressSoft, as she's going to discuss a little bit about the financial industry shift and innovation that has been gaining momentum on a global scale. Carol, over to you.
By 2024, 61% of customers expect their banks to go digital, with only 39% human intervention. 80% of customers demand 24/7 straight-through processing digital services across different channels. We are witnessing a new era of self-service and straight-through processing services covering cross-border payments, compliance requirements, and rapidly evolving industry standards. But meeting those demands is simply difficult to achieve with traditional banking methods, which lack flexibility and require lengthy and costly processes. Traditional banking methods that are reliant on legacy back-end systems are no longer affordable for several reasons. In this traditional model, business rules are distributed across different layers and multiple systems. There is no centralized transaction orchestration point, and banks are relying on their core banking systems for end-to-end transactions management. When it comes to the payment systems, it acts as a bridge to receive ready payloads and direct them to networks, more like a middleware rather than true payments management. This approach is no longer affordable, as it requires more time and higher costs to accommodate for changes that arise from business or market demands. Banks would need to alter multiple systems across front-end, back-end, and core banking systems, which is challenging when it comes to frequent and continuous change. It also results in unnecessary coordination and efforts for timely delivery and the launch of new service to the market. Let's not also forget the regulatory and compliance requirements that continuously change and must be accommodated for by banks in a timely manner. These changes are not one-time investments. They are as endless as new demands that may arise, which is the main reason behind the formation of our Payments Hub. We reserve the front-end channels for their designated purpose, a user-friendly interface layer that presents data to customers on whichever channel they want. These channels have a real UI interface connecting to back-end APIs and then the Payments Hub. The Payments Hub then acts as a centralized orchestrating platform for validation, processing, transaction posting, and payments routing to the final destination. It manages the actual building of payment payloads of all networks, including network regulatory requirements and data fulfillment. It also automatically manages payments and remittances and selects the best route based on rich routing rules, SLA management, and smart network directories and correspondence. This converts the traditional approach into an advanced smart routing approach to identify, manage, and handle customer demands in an STP 24/7 mode. In this case, the back-end core banking system is reserved for managing the chart of accounts and necessary entries for payment types and remittances. With that, banks can now introduce a microservices, cloud-native, and full-fledged Payments Hub platform connecting and orchestrating banking systems with minimal changes. This includes full integration with many remittances networks, including faster delivery and multiple rollouts of new Swift service integrations and launches, such as CBPR+, Swift Go, ISO 20022, and many others. What we have in our hands is a gem for banks and their future, whether in migrating to ISO 20022, having a CBPR+ ready platform for cross-border payments, or introducing new services with minimized hassles and maximized customer satisfaction.
Thank you very much, Carol. A lot to unpack there, but highly informative, and we'll look forward to hearing from ProgressSoft again. I'm going to introduce our next panelist from IDEMIA, who is Romain Zanolo, the Managing Director of APAC for Payment Services. Romain, welcome, and I believe you're joining us live. The floor is yours. Over to you for a few words. Just remember to unmute.
Hello. So I'm Romain Zanolo. Indeed, I'm the Managing Director of IDEMIA in Asia Pacific. And first, I would like to thank Digital Banker for the opportunity to be with you today. So for those of you who don't know IDEMIA, we are a global leader in payment and identity. We do two things. So on one side, we work with governments that we support in issuing physical and digital identity credentials. So think about your passport, driving license, as well as biometric solutions for airports. So if you're in Singapore, for example, at the immigration checkpoints, we provide the biometric terminals there. On the second part of the business where I sit, we work mostly with banks and fintechs, and we help them to issue payment credentials, so namely payment cards, physical or the digital version of it. And for the next few years, what you can expect from IDEMIA, we are committed to make payment overall greener, safer, and more convenient. And this is a continuous journey that we're working on. And as a result, there's a few trends that customers can expect to see from us. So the first one is on ESG, where we're more and more helping financial institutions on their ESG challenges in retail banking with concrete actions. One being moving all the physical cards into recycled material. And that comes also with additional things such as potentially full recycling programs that we're developing for the end-to-end management of physical cards. We are providing also physical and digital features around the card issuance in order to reduce the usage of paper and enrich overall the mobile banking app with greener features. On the second part, there's an overall trend, which is that payment needs to be available anywhere, anytime, for everyone, whether you tap, click, or touch to pay. And we are scaling our digital payment capabilities and portfolio, helping the banks to digitize their payment cards, basically. That includes provisioning the card into the XPays, what we call the XPays or EMP wallet, but also working on some new things in payments, such as central bank digital currencies or CBDC. And last but not least, there is an overall trend of incorporating biometric in payment that we are using more and more in our day-to-day life. And we are bringing this also to the card space by incorporating a payment sensor or biometric sensor on the physical card with a product we call F-Code, which allows basically the payment card to pay using biometrics and to replicate an experience that we're using today on the mobile, increasing the level of security and ensuring that the person that pays is actually the right one or the owner of the account. Overall, we're passionate about payment, and we're excited about the speed at which this ecosystem is evolving in Asia. Looking forward to collaborate with as many players as possible in the ecosystem in the coming months and years. And thank you again, Digital Banker.
Thank you, Romain. Thanks for sharing those applications of the of your solutions there. So far, we've heard some great payment propositions. I'm looking forward to welcoming Craig Ramsey next, who is the head of real-time and A2A payments banking from ACI Worldwide. Craig, welcome. Great to see you on the screen live there. Over to you. Just unmute yourself so you're audible.
There we go. Very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're joining us from. I'm here in the UK and the summer heat wave continues where it's a positively balmy 20 degrees outside. So not quite Singapore temperatures, but never mind. So let's not talk about the weather. Let's talk about payments. And let me introduce you to ACI Worldwide. Every second of every day, billions of consumers, merchants and billers rely on ACI Worldwide solutions to transact their commerce and business. ACI is a provider of best-in-class payment solutions for commercial and central banks, merchants and billers, and we're processing approximately 1 billion payments a day, estimated to be worth trillions of dollars. Our software solutions make the movement of money more efficient, generating value, driving growth, and enhancing prosperity everywhere. And yet, we're largely unknown because we're behind the scenes supporting our customers' brands with our solutions. Whether the customer is running our solution themselves or whether they choose ACI to offer SaaS solutions or managed service, we're providing digital payment solutions across retail and commercial banks, omni-commerce and bill payments. And we secure those payments with our fraud and risk management solutions. Our solutions are truly mission critical and are engineered as such. ACI were one of the first to recognize that real-time 24/7 payments were a game changer for everyone. Removing friction in payments, it will make payments cheaper and faster for both the banked and underbanked. To date, we support 25 real-time schemes across every business continent of the world, enabling banks to process and connect to the real-time networks, as well as providing solutions to the central bank networks themselves. Merchants and billers are now taking advantage of the real-time revolution, and we're supporting them and their acquirers as we see a shift of payments behavior and consumer interaction. Show me a merchant or corporation that doesn't want to remove cost and delays to their payments. We've won awards for our solutions over the years, each one of them deeply humbling, as our 4,000 employees strive to deliver the best, most beneficial solutions in the world and drive the real-time revolution forward. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Craig. And of course, we're familiar with ACI Worldwide, with the work that we do with a number of banks across global markets, and also nothing wrong about talking about the weather. It's nothing like a British summer. I'm glad it's 20 degrees over there. Let's move over now, ladies and gents. We're nearing the end of the symposium. I'm going to introduce Donald McGuinness now, who is the CEO of Prompt. Donald, a few words from yourself, and the floor is yours.
Hello, my name is Donald McGuinness. I'm the CEO at Prompt. Delighted to be here today at the World Payments Innovators Symposium, sponsored by Digital Banker. So, Prompt and open banking. We've been on a hell of a journey for the last 12 months with open banking, and Prompt as a platform has traditionally been for card payments for customers that would typically take a payment over the phone, so MOTO payments. And those payments always tended to be higher value or more consultative, which was why they were taken over the phone in the first place. So when we launched open banking in early June 2022, we saw an immediate uptake from our existing customers on open banking. And we intentionally held back a bit. We know open banking's been around for a good number of years, but we really wanted to make sure we waited until the payers were more comfortable with authentication and things like that. And the new rules that came in the year previous around PSD2 and SCA on card payments has educated society better on how to do mobile authentication and things like that. So we felt the time was right to launch our open banking offering. So the uptake has been fantastic. And we see card payment and bank payment living side by side quite seamlessly, and we're not seeing open banking eating into the card volume in any big numbers. So primarily these are bank transfer payments that our clients are now doing by open banking, and maybe some of the higher value card transactions might move to open banking, but generally the smaller transactions stay on card, and we allow our customers to orchestrate that entire checkout process as to whether the bank flow is optimized or the card flow is optimized, to try and nurture the payer down the lower cost channel, depending on the value of the transaction. And that's working really well. And we've always had payment success rates, very high payment success rates in the 90% plus range. And when we add open banking into that payment journey, it drops a little bit, but it's still around 86%. So really significantly high payment success rates. And we see this as a really strong growth channel for our customers. And the key customer segments are the ones you can imagine: automotive, builders, merchants, high value retail, just to name three of the biggest ones. And we would have marquee customer brands in each of those sectors, processing in the millions of pounds per month in open banking transactions. So the journey has been great. We're only 12 months in. We've a lot of great innovation planned in the coming year, rest of the year and into early next year around open banking, and looking forward to report back more in the future. Thanks for listening. Any interest in Prompt, just reach out. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Donald, and thanks for those insights. We look forward to the upcoming innovations in due course. Let's move over, ladies and gents, to the next panelist, none other than Alexei Kosenko, the President and CEO for Unacash. Alexei, over to yourself for a few words.
Yeah, thank you so much. My name is Alexei. I'm CEO of Unacash. And first of all, I'd like to say thank you to Digital Banker, to all of the participants, and for sure to Unacash team. Honestly, it's kind of honor for me to speak here on behalf of Unacash. Just would like to raise it, like pandemic, it has proven that there is demand for fintech innovations, for alternative financial solutions, for alternative credit solutions and options. And that's exactly what Unacash is doing right now in the Philippines. Actually, Unacash will continue to deliver that client-centric financial solutions. And we acknowledge the significant opportunity presented by MSME market here in the Philippines. Actually, we're having big plans for 2024 and looking forward to extend the network of our partners. And actually, that's it. Just wanted to say once again, I appreciate Digital Banker recognizing our contribution to the industry, and I believe that will really serve great motivation for Unacash, for me, and our team to push innovation boundaries further. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, Alexei, and of course, thank you to Unacash. We now will go over to another organization in Philippines, none other than Cbank Philippines Incorporated. Here we have Gian Colbert Ung, who is the head of deposits, payments, and transfers.
Good afternoon. It's an honor to be a part of this prestigious symposium, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to share insights into the innovative strides we are making at Cbank Philippines. We are grateful to the Digital Banker for bringing together the industry and recognizing its strong efforts towards improving financial accessibility. We have seen a strong public demand since the launch of the Cbank Philippines app. In just 12 months, we have grown from serving customers in just 6 rural towns to serving thousands throughout the country. Key to this success is our core value proposition that includes convenience in accessing essential banking services on your phone with high deposit interest rates and no fees. However, beyond these propositions, there were also many challenges we had to overcome, which a casual CBank user may not have noticed. For example, number one, what is the best way to facilitate online onboarding of customers while managing regulatory compliance and risks at scale? Number two, what steps do we take to ensure seamless and secure authentication of users when they make payments and transfer funds? And number three, what can we do to ensure that our mobile banking services remain accessible, reliable, and safe for our customers? These key principles were critical in establishing and maintaining credibility and trust among our users. Today, the public defines digital banking broadly and oversimplifies our diversity. The public's perception of the entire industry can be negatively impacted by any lacks in our security commitments. The same holds true for any unscheduled system downtimes and lack of interoperability in the whole banking ecosystem. In order to address this, CBank Philippines provides secure digital payment solutions that enhances the user's payment experience while fostering trust and confidence in digital financial services. As we look ahead, CBank is committed to provide a secure and hassle-free payment experience that will promote financial inclusion, drive digital banking adoption in the Philippines, and empower all Filipinos with reliable and convenient financial services. Thank you for your time and attention, and together, let's transform digital payments forward.
Thank you very much, Jan, and great to hear about the work and some of the challenges, obviously, that CBank went through. Delighted to hear from you. Let's move over to the last, but certainly not the least, one of our panelists, who is from Parkopedia, and that is none other than Hans Pavogel, who is the Chief Operating Officer. Hans, great to see you. Remember to unmute yourself, and over to you for a few words.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you for having me. I've had some network issues here. I'm in Sweden, and Telia seems to have some problems at the moment. Well, again, thanks for having me. Parkopedia is a company that was created 16 years ago as a Wikipedia for parking, if you will, as the name would suggest. And since then, we've evolved into an automotive supplier with a market-leading position when it comes to providing parking data, parking services, including parking payments to the automotive industry. But we've actually gone further than that. We see ourselves as a core element or as a part of what's currently going on in the automotive industry. That is the transition from the old automotive industry where physical objects, cars, sheet metal on wheels were manufactured and shipped, to a new scenario where we actually see the software-defined vehicle. Software determines the capabilities of the car. And that's not just a technical issue, so to say, but it's also reshaping business models. The car manufacturers are transitioning from selling static one-off products to offering dynamic software-driven features and services on a subscription basis in the car. And that's what we call internal merchants. So they have their internal merchants offering feature on demand, service on demand. But this also presents additional monetization challenges as they aim to add additional services of third-party merchants to the user experience in the vehicle. And that includes, in particular, services such as parking, charging, tolling, etc. Services that we call vehicle-centric, which help to operate the vehicle, make it usable for the driver, and increase the convenience for the driver. Our platform is designed to address these challenges, and we connect vehicle-centric inventory, such as parking, such as charging, tolling, etc., to the vehicles, to the drivers in the vehicle by integrating it into the driving experience itself to create compelling, seamless user experiences in the car. In other words, we're integrating a financial ecosystem directly with the car's infrastructure. One of the core components of this ecosystem is our payment system. which is our digital wallet and payment orchestration platform that we use to enable and simplify transactions in the vehicle, making them efficient and straightforward. For external merchants, such as parking operators, tolling agencies, charge point operators, fuel petrol station operators, this means a streamlined process and a new market opportunity. And there is no change of PSP necessary, as we're orchestrating the payments to the relevant PSPs of those merchants. And as they say, never change a running system. And now with network tokens integrated, it becomes even more compelling for everybody. There's more to come. So our platform is designed to navigate this landscape, creating practical solutions for merchants, car makers, and most of all, for drivers. Get in touch.
Thank you very much, Hans. And of course, thank you to all of our speakers and panelists on the Payments Innovation Trailblazers Symposium. Thank you for sharing. Ladies and gents, let's not waste any more time and let's go straight into the moment you've all been waiting for, which is the trophy ceremony. Just before we do that, I'd like to assure you that if you are just joining us and you missed our key insights from our head of research at the start of this gala, and of course missed the insights from our 10 speakers, we will be making all of these materials available across the public domain, which will be disseminated across our channels. So please do follow The Digital Banker on LinkedIn and of course our website, thedigitalbanker.com. Ladies and gents, it gives me a great pleasure to now introduce our first winner. We're going to go into the Payments Product Innovation Awards. We have 2 awards to get through in this category, and this very first one is for the Best Digital Wallet. Now, your winner here is PaySafe, and here we have Miss Megan Oxman, who is the Interim President, Digital Wallets. Megan, a very good afternoon or morning, wherever you are joining us from. Congratulations, over to you for a few words.
Thank you so much, and a huge thank you to Digital Banker for this amazing recognition for our digital wallets, Skrill and Neteller. I'm so pleased and delighted to accept this award on behalf of the entire PaySafe Digital Wallet team. This is a tremendous group of people who work so hard each and every day. They serve as champions of our customers and truly obsess over creating a great customer experience. They continually work to improve our customer journey and innovate on behalf of our customer needs. For those who are not familiar with Skrill and Neteller, we provide customers all over the world with a simple, fast, and mobile-friendly way to deposit, store, and withdraw money. Customers can pay people, they can pay purchases online, and they can also trade crypto. We're really proud that our digital wallets offer a truly global solution. We are integrated with thousands of e-commerce partners in over 120 countries. We also offer customers over 100 different deposit methods to ensure accessibility. So really appreciate the award and the recognition from Digital Banker, and a huge thank you again to the PaySafe Digital Wallet team.
Thank you very much, Megan, and of course congratulations to the entire PaySafe team responsible for that winning accolade. We will certainly be making all of this information and the reason why our winners won at a later stage. Ladies and gents, moving over to our next winner this afternoon, and this is for the Best Credit Card, and your winner is Zilch. We'd like to accept this award on behalf of Zilch. Their representatives were called to a higher priority meeting, but nonetheless, congratulations. I'd like to now move over to the Payment Service Innovation Awards, and this is rather a large category. I believe we have 22 honorees to introduce and get through, and the very first one is the winner for the Best B2B/B2C Payments Initiative. We heard from this gentleman in the symposium, and your winner here is Parkopedia. Please welcome back Hans Puvogel, the Chief Operating Officer. Over to you, Hans. Congratulations.
Yeah, sorry. Ladies and gentlemen of the Digital Banker, thank you so much for this honor, and I'm very pleased to accept this award. But this is also the time to thank important people who helped us, who made us build what we were awarded for. So first and foremost, I'd like to thank the parking meters, petrol stations, charge points, and toll gantries for inspiring us. Who knew that such mundane pain points could lead to a brilliant idea? To our team, your dedication to making payments from the driver's seat as seamless as ordering your fast food is nothing short of genius. And to our product testers, thanks for all those chips you sacrificed in between the seat cushions during our trial runs. To our rivals, thank you for occasionally parking in our spot. It kept our innovation engines revving, even if it meant that we had to circle a few more times. Lastly, to all the cars out there, from the humble hatchbacks to the sassy sedans, thank you for letting us into your personal space. We promise to respect your boundaries and never ever ask you for the aux cable. In closing, remember, ladies and gentlemen, in the fast lane of digital banking, it's not just about the journey or the destination, but also about how you pay for your charging on the way. So thank you very much. We highly appreciate this, and we look forward to working with whoever wants to work with us. Have a great
Thank you very
evening.
much. Thank you, Hans. And of course, congratulations to Parkopedia. Thank you for those excellent words and for sharing. Ladies and gents, we do have a highly acclaimed within this Best B2B, B2C Payments Initiative. Just before I introduce our winner this afternoon, highly acclaimed is actually honoured by the Digital Banker, where the category was highly competitive and our panel of judges felt that there was also another proposition that warranted a level of acclaim. So there you have it. And your highly acclaimed honoree is Playo. Moving on to now the Best B2B and B2C Payments Initiative again, the second highly acclaimed. Please help me in welcoming Unacash. And we heard from Alexei Kosakenko, the President and CEO. Alexei, over to you. Congratulations to Unacash.
Yeah, thank you so much once again. Highly appreciated. It's thanks to Digital Banker, once again, as I said, that recognition really motivates us to move forward. And for sure, thanks to all of employees of Unacash who contributed to it. Thanks so much.
Absolutely. Thank you and congratulations to Unacash. Moving over to the Best Buy Now, Pay Later BNPL Service Initiative. Your winner this afternoon is Pay Just Now. And here we have Craig Newborn, the Chief Executive Officer, to accept the award on behalf of the organisation.
Welcome everybody. Just 4 years ago, Buy Now, Pay Later was a concept in its infancy. Now, less than 4 years after launching Pay Just Now, we've seen the face of South African retail credit change. With an alternative payment solution that continues to win the hearts and minds of both consumers and retailers alike. I had two goals in mind when founding this business: create more access to responsible credit and encourage South African consumers to be more financially savvy. Now, as the largest Buy Now, Pay Later provider in South Africa, we know we are making the right difference to both our consumers and business partners. On behalf of myself and the full team at Pay Just Now, I would like to thank Global Payments Innovation Awards for this recognition. You are now part of our journey and we deeply appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Craig. Great to hear a little bit from Pay Just Now and the work you're doing in South Africa. We do have a highly acclaimed honoree for this Best BNPL Service Initiative, and that is none other than Split It. And here we have live joining us Miss Lyndall Newman, who is the Global Director, Head of Marketing. Lyndall, great to see you. The floor's yours.
Firstly, I'd like to thank the Digital Banker for recognizing Spillet's innovation in the Buy Now, Pay Later space. Spillet's unique technology is a real game changer in this space, as we don't originate new loans. We utilize customers' existing credit. Our white label installment solution seamlessly embeds into the merchant's checkout. There's no applications, credit checks, fees, or interest. So the result is a frictionless customer journey. We also allow merchants to keep full control of their brand integrity, building trust and lifetime value. Spillet is also a global solution available in over 100 countries. The incredible team at Spillet's worked tirelessly to continually innovate. So we'd really like to thank you very much on behalf of the whole team for this award.
Congratulations to Split It and, of course, to Lyndall Newman. We'll move over. We'll come back to Lyndall a little later on in the ceremony. Can we introduce now the Best Consumer Loyalty Program in Payments Initiative? And our winner this afternoon is Wirex. We now move over again within the Best Payment Service Innovation Awards. This is now for the Best Cross-Border Service Initiative. And our winner here is Transact365. Here we have Liam Fernandez, who is the Chief Operating Officer. I believe Liam's going to give us a bit of a smile and a wave to capture the moment.
Amazing. Yeah, thank you for the award. Thank you to Digital Banker for the award. We're obviously delighted to receive the award. Transact365 has a clear vision, and we live by our motto, think local, go global. Since our inception 7 years ago, we have put our merchants' business requirements at the hearts of everything we do. We provide a bespoke service that opens the doors to new and challenging markets for our clients. We're being there to support our clients during their growth has been an entirely gratifying process, and I believe this complementary approach has enabled us to deliver higher conversions and see ongoing success. We're always striving to push the boundaries with our APM offerings and cross-border services, and we're looking forward to continue providing these services well into the future. Thanks again for the award.
Thanks very much, Liam, and great to hear from Transact365 rather. Obviously, this is a highly competitive category for cross-border payment services. And of course, we do have a highly acclaimed within this category, and this is Cellpoint Digital. And here we have Tom Randclev, who is the Global Head of Product. Over to you, Tom.
I am delighted to accept this award from the Digital Banker on behalf of everyone at Cellpoint Digital. Our team greatly appreciates the recognition and validation of all our hard work and our ongoing efforts to simplify and optimize payments for merchants around the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Tom, and congratulations to Cellpoint Digital for that highly acclaimed accolade. We have a final highly acclaimed accolade within the Best Cross-Border Service. Of course, this was one of the most competitive categories, and I'd like to introduce your honoree this afternoon, who is from Cresco, and here is Ralph Roge, the Chief Executive Officer. Ralph, congratulations. I believe you're going to give us a smile and a wave, but if you wanted to say a quick thank you, you're more than welcome.
Thank you very much. It's great to be highly acclaimed, and it's a pleasure working with everyone that we do work here to solve cross-border payments for SMEs. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, Ralph. Congratulations to Cresco. Ladies and gents, we're going to move over now to the Best Cross-Border Service Initiative, this time by a vendor. And I'm delighted to introduce your winner, Currency Cloud. Your next award within the Payment Service Innovation Awards category is for the Best E-Commerce Payment Initiative. And our winner here is none other than Payflex. And here we have Mr. Shane Scher, the Head of Growth, who's going to say a few words on behalf of the organization.
Hi, friends of innovation. We are humbled to accept this award, a true testament to Payflex's audacious journey. Since the very beginning, we've been laser focused on the buyer's journey as an opportunity to empower. Our success is a symphony of wonderful and passionate people, a network of great partners, and a clever bit of technology. Ahead lies challenges, I'm sure, but what we are more excited about are the opportunities ahead. I want to thank everyone who's been involved in making this a success, and for those who will be coming along for the ride. Thank you all. Goodbye.
Superb. Thank you very much, Shane, and congratulations to Payflex. Our next award is for a category that we certainly see a lot of growth and investment in, and now this is for the Best ESG Linked Payment Service Initiative. We heard from the organization before. This time representing your winner, IDEMIA, is Haris Abbasi, who is the Head of Pre-Sales APAC Payment Services. Haris, great to see you on screen. Over to you for a few words. Just need you to unmute yourself, Haris.
Sorry for that. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you to the Digital Banker for this incredible honor and recognition. On behalf of IDEMIA, I would humbly accept this prestigious award. At IDEMIA, we're committed to innovation and sustainability. Our GreenPay wallet is the latest innovation in our GreenPay product line, which is dedicated to creating sustainable solutions. The GreenPay wallet solution goes beyond the traditional paradigm of carbon neutrality by introducing the concept of regeneration. Thanks to the API-driven architecture, GreenPay wallet enables banks to integrate virtually unlimited number of regenerative projects such as tree plantation, plastic collection, social justice, and many more into their mobile banking apps. This enables their customers to actively contribute to the causes that matter most to them. GreenPay wallet is more than just a means to donate to a regeneration project. It provides users with real-time tracking of their contributions through accurate, science-based calculation and reporting. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our partner Handprint in pioneering regenerative banking together with IDEMIA through this state-of-the-art technology. We are excited to see how GreenPay wallet will be used to make positive impact on the environment and give every bank the ability to be truly regenerative. Thanks once again to the Digital Banker for this recognition, and congratulations to all the winners. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Congratulations to IDEMIA and Harris for accepting the award for the best ESG linked payment service. Moving over now, the next award within this category is for the best open banking payment service initiative. And our winner here is Prompt Payment Requests. And here we heard a little bit earlier from Donald McGuinness, the CEO. I'm going to pass it back to Donald for a few words to accept this phenomenal award.
I'm delighted to accept this award on behalf of all of my colleagues at Prompt. Big team effort involved in all of our product innovation and sales and marketing and everything along the way which goes towards making the company a success. Really delighted to win an Open Banking Award because it's been an area of big focus for us, and delighted to bring these products to market to save our customers millions of pounds in payment operations costs of one type and another. And awards like this gives us more motivation to succeed further and try and win again next year, I guess. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Absolutely. Congratulations, Donald, and of course to Prompt. In keeping with time, ladies and gents, let's move over to the next award within this category. We're on number 14 out of 22 now, and this is for the Best Payments-Led Financial Inclusion Initiative. Bit of a mouthful there, but nonetheless, your winner here is Paycode. Congratulations to Paycode. I'd like to move over to a highly acclaimed honoree within this category, and this is, of course, for Best Payments-Led Financial Inclusion Initiative. Please help me in welcoming Megan Oxman, Interim President for Digital Wallets from PaySafe once again. Hi, Megan. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. And a big thank you as well to the PaySafe Cash team for all of their hard work to win the Financial Inclusion Initiative. This team enables our customers to pay seamlessly in cash, really enabling those who prefer to pay in cash to do so. And so very proud of that team. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and congratulations to PaySafe and to Megan for accepting the award. We move over now to the Best Payments-Led Financial Inclusion Initiative, and this time it's by a vendor rather. And the winner here is ProgressSoft, and here we have Ms. Rawan Sudha, who is the Director of Product Management. Over to you for a few words, Rawan.
Thank you. Thank you so much to the Digital Banker for this incredible recognition. I'm genuinely honored and so proud to be accepting this award on behalf of our amazing team at ProgressSoft. This recognition is a testament to the hard work of our team and the unwavering commitment of our partners. Our mobile payments solution isn't just a product. It's a stepping stone towards financial inclusion for millions. Through our work, we've empowered individuals with access to digital financial services to build brighter futures for themselves and their families. Thanks again to our team for their dedication and passion. And this award reinforces our belief in the power of innovation and its potential to drive positive change. Thank you.
Excellent, and glad to hear. Congratulations to ProgressSoft, and thank you to Rowan for accepting the honour on behalf of the organisation. We do have a highly acclaimed honoree. Now, a gentleman we heard from a little bit earlier on, and please help me in welcoming none other than ACI Worldwide. And here we have Craig Ramsey, the head of real-time and A2A payments for banking. Craig, great to see you again. Over to you for a few words.
Thank you very much. I want to thank everyone for their kindness in recognizing ACI worldwide this way. As a company working across 87 different countries, we know the impact that great solutions and initiatives can make to local communities. As a provider of real-time payment solutions, we're tasked by our customers for solutions for the banked and the unbanked. Adding not just the core infrastructure to a country, we've further enabled overlay services that have enhanced the consumer experience in commerce and made payments faster and cheaper for everyone. We hear stories of how our payments benefit communities every day. Consider a small independent merchant being able to accept money electronically using a QR code. With the removal of cash, they're more secure. The ability to receive money directly to their account, they're able to instantly reuse that money to pay for more stock and invest in the business and pay their own bills. On behalf of our team, thank you. This simply makes us redouble our efforts to make frictionless, instant, real-time payments the normal way to pay. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Craig. Congratulations to ACI for that highly acclaimed accolade. And of course, we are talking, ladies and gents, here about financial inclusion, which is such a large topic within the world of financial services. So we do have a second highly acclaimed honoree here, none other than IDEMIA again. And once again, please help me in welcoming Haris Abasai to the stage.
Thanks a lot. Thank you once again to the Digital Banker for this prestigious award. IDEMIA is a global leader in identity technologies, and we have a long history of developing innovative and secure payment solutions that are accessible and inclusive for everyone. TouchCard is a perfect example of our commitment to innovation and accessibility. TouchCard is designed in partnership with MasterCard to improve the payment experience of billions of people around the world with sight impairment. TouchCard features 3 unique card notches which allow blind and partially sighted cardholders to identify their card, whether it's a credit, debit, or prepaid card, by simply touching it. This simple yet effective design feature will allow blind and partially sighted cardholders to identify their card by a simple touch. This gives them the same level of decision-making power as any other cardholder and allows them to pay independently and securely. I would like to take this opportunity to thank MasterCard of their support in this joint project, and thanks once again to the Digital Banker for the recognition. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Haris, and of course, thank you to IDEMIA and congratulations for that highly acclaimed honor. We're going to move over to the, well, again, a very highly competitive category now, and that is for the Best Real-Time Payment Service Initiative. Your winner here is Pigeon. And of course, given the competitive nature of this category, please help me in welcoming the other 2 highly acclaimed, and that is the Best Real-Time Payment Service Initiative, and this time it is Form 3. We now move over to the second highly acclaimed, and that is for Best Real-Time Payment Service Initiative, and this honor goes to Marqeta. And ladies and gents, the final award within the Payment Service Innovation Awards category is for the Best Real-Time Payment Service Initiative for Digital Assets. And here your winner is none other than BCB Group. Congratulations. Now, ladies and gents, I would just like to say thank you to all of our honorees who have appeared thus far. Thank you for sharing those remarkable insights, and of course, congratulations to everybody who has collected an award this afternoon. We still have a few to go through, and the next up is the Technology Awards. If you are just joining us, please be aware that all of these assets will be made available. Of course, the winners' speeches, the narratives, the reason why they won will all be published and made available in our Digital Banker publication, and of course, our Research Insights report for this program. Let's move over to the Technology Awards, of which there are 7 to get through this afternoon. The very first is for the Best Data and Analytics Application in Payments Initiative. And your winner here is WL Payments, or Celeris Pay. And here we have Chetan Chadha, who is the Team Lead Integrations. Over to you, Chetan, and congratulations.
Gentlemen, hi, I'm Chetan Chadha, Technology Lead at WL Payments. Today, I am humbled and thrilled to be here as a recipient of Global Payment Innovation Award for the Best Data and Analytics Applications in the Payment Initiative. This award is a reflection of synergy between the dedication, hard work and innovation. I would like to extend my gratitude to the digital banker and the esteemed panel of judges who recognize the transformative power of our product, Chargeback Buster. By harnessing the chargeback notification and fraud notification into our system, we are able to revolutionize the chargeback management system. The merchant does not need to longer take the complex analytics and shift through different sites to manage the chargeback. The merchant can easily make informed decisions by our machine learning algorithms and can manage the frauds and can initiate the refunds and blacklisting seamlessly. I would like to share this award with our extraordinary team at WL Payments and Celeris Pay. We continue to live our guiding principle. We will grow when our customers grow.
Thank you very much, Chetan, and congratulations to the organisation for winning that award. We're going to remain within this award and now move over to a highly acclaimed honoree, which is none other than Cbank Philippines. And here we have Jan Colbert Ung again, who's the head of deposits, payments and transfers. Over to you, Jan, for a few words.
Once again, we'd like to thank the Digital Banker for recognizing our efforts. This prestigious award cements that we are truly committed to our mission to better the lives of people through technology. We believe that technology should bridge gaps and not create them. Thus, we use data and analytics to take timely action to mitigate potential risks and disruptions in the payment flow. We proactively monitor and identify patterns consistent with system downtime at both our internal and partner bank systems. This ensures that our users enjoy seamless transactions and are well informed on issues arising from payment platforms, enabling them to transact with ease and confidence. Our payment maintenance analytics and alert system is centered around continuous innovation, user centricity, and staying ahead of evolving payment trends. This award is a testament to our team's dedication and hard work, and we are humbled and thankful to receive it.
A huge congratulations to Cbank and to Jan. Moving over now to the Best Blockchain Payments Initiative, I'd like to welcome Ms. Nusa Sternissa, who is the Head of Public Relations at Go Crypto. Congratulations to Go Crypto, and great to see you on screen, Nusa. Over to you.
Hello. Thank you very much. We are honored to receive the Best Blockchain Payments Initiative Award. And I would also like to congratulate all of the other winners, as well as the organizer, the Digital Banker. Go Crypto's mission is to empower individuals to take back control of their finances. We serve those who live in high inflation markets, the unbanked population, and also all of the individuals and their families who rely on remittance on the daily basis. By decentralizing payments, Go Crypto is giving people a financial alternative, fostering financial inclusion across the globe. Thank you very much for the award.
Congratulations to Go Crypto, and thank you very much, Nusa, for joining us this afternoon. We're going to move over to a highly acclaimed honoree for the Best Blockchain Payments Initiative, and this is none other than Coins Paid. And please help me in welcoming Natalie Vavulina, the Public Relations and Event Manager. Over to you, Natalie.
Yes, hi everyone. My name is Natalie Vavulina. I'm Events and PR Manager at CoinsPay. And on behalf of our company, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to the entire awards committee for this honor. And it is truly a privilege to be recognized among such a group of companies who are making significant contribution to the industry. And for those meeting us for the first time, CoinsPay is a B2B crypto payment ecosystem with a major product being crypto payment gateway and supportive products such as OTC Desk, hot wallet system, and SaaS solution. Our goal is to make crypto transactions seamless for businesses and accessible for everyone. Crypto payments expand the network of clients and brings businesses to the global arena. And we are here to push it further and make crypto payments bigger, more understandable, and easy to operate. Thanks again to Digital Banker for this opportunity, and we will continue pushing the boundaries of blockchain payments industry.
And we very much look forward to that. Congratulations to Coins Paid, and thank you, Natalie, for that representation and accepting the awards on behalf of Coins Paid. We're going to move over now to the 5th out of the 7th awards within the technology category, and this is now for the Best Cloud-Powered Payments Initiative. Your winner this afternoon, once again, WL Payments, Celeris Pay, and this time we have Chinmay Jain, the CTO or Chief Technology Officer.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Chinmay Jain, CTO of WL Payments and Affiliates Pay, and I am truly humbled to receive the prestigious Global Payment Innovation Award 2023 for Best Cloud-Powered Payment Initiative. First of all, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the Digital Banker and our distinguished panel of judges for recognizing our efforts. Our cloud-native payment orchestration platform is a product of passion and innovation. Our vision behind it was simple yet profound: to let payment players craft their own white-label payment orchestration. We don't just provide a solution, but an opportunity to thrive. What sets our platform apart is its ability to integrate into existing technological stack, providing complete solution within just one day, slashing time to market and reducing cost. I stand here today not alone, but surrounded by a remarkable team who shares the same vision. We grow when our customers grow. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chinmay, and congratulations to WL Payments, Solaris Pay. We move over to the penultimate awards within the technology category, and this is for the Best Security Application in Payments Initiative. Your winner here, a familiar organization from this afternoon. Please help me in welcoming back, C-Bank Philippines, and of course, Jan Colbert to say a few words.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed colleagues and valued partners, we are truly honored to receive the Best Security Application in Payments Initiative recognition for this year's Global Payments Innovation Awards. We'd like to thank the Digital Banker for recognizing that our efforts go beyond transactions as we endeavor to build the trust and loyalty of our clients with safe and reliable digital finance solutions. We pledge to channel the momentum from this recognition to make payments even more innovative as we build measures to address the growing threat of theft and fraud in the digital finance landscape. As technology evolves, so do the challenges, and we're ready to meet them head on. Thank you for this award, and congratulations to our fellow winners of this series.
Thank you very much, Jan. Congratulations to C-Bank. Ladies and gents, the final award now is for the Best Security Application in Payments Initiative by a vendor. I should add the final award within this category. There are a couple of more that we have. And this is for Sion, and here we have Timmy Hariadi, who is an account executive at Sion. Timmy, great to see you, and congratulations for this award. Over to you for a few words, my friend.
Yeah, thank you everyone. I'm Timmy from Sion iPad. Thank you so much for Digital Banker. I'm truly honored and humbled to stand before you on behalf of the entire Sion team as we accept the prestigious award for the Best Security Application in Payments by vendor. This recognition holds immense significance for us as it reaffirms our unwavering commitment to combating fraud and securing the digital landscape of financial transactions, especially with banking and neobanking as one of our strongest verticals. For those who are not familiar with Sion, we are one of the leading fraud prevention platforms with more than 5,000 customers from 30 plus countries with robust modular solutions, and banking always been our strongest verticals. Also, our heartfelt appreciation goes out to our clients and partners who have entrusted us with the responsibility of safeguarding their transactions, protecting their customers. Your feedback and support have been invaluable in refining our approach and enhancing our solutions. Thank you once again for this incredible honor. Together, let's continue to innovate, secure, and inspire trust to the world of payments. Thank you.
Thank you, Timmy, and congratulations to Sion for that final award, Best Security Application in Payments Initiative by a vendor for the technology category. We're going to move, ladies and gents, in keeping in time, over to our vendor category. 3 honorees to introduce this afternoon, and the first one is for the Best Contactless Payment Service Provider. And your winner here is IDEMIA, and once again, Roman Zanolo will accept this award on behalf of IDEMIA. Over to you, Roman. Just unmute. There we go.
Yeah, hello. Hello again, and thank you again, Digital Banker and everyone for this award that I'm, of course, very pleased to accept for our token platform. IDEMIA has been at the front end of contactless payment since inception, being it on physical card and mobile payment. And we developed our token platform, or IDEMIA token platform, in that spirit, in order to support payment networks to enable contactless payment using NFC, among other things. This award is a strong testimony to the quality of the work of the team that has been working around the world and around the clock for more than a decade. We have provisioned more than 400 million payment credentials on this platform that is trusted by some of the leading payment networks in the world that are members of EMDCO, including some of the leading payment networks here in Southeast Asia. So again, I would like to congratulate and thanks all our team for their work for this project and platform. And thank you again, Digital Banker.
Thank you, Roman, and congratulations to IDEMIA. And we move over to the best payment solution by a vendor now. And your winner here is Chargeback Gurus. And once again, Melissa Hendrick, the CMO, will say a few words.
Hello, everybody from Dallas, Texas. I'm Melissa Hendrick, Chief Marketing Officer of Chargeback Gurus. My apologies for not being able to make the awards gala in person, but I did want to take a moment to thank the Digital Banker, the team, the panel of judges, and of course, award attendees at this ceremony for recognizing Chargeback Gurus. On behalf of myself, leadership, our team members, clients, and partners, thank you again for recognizing Chargeback Gurus, and we hope you have a fantastic awards ceremony.
Thank you very much, Melissa, and congratulations to Chargeback Gurus. Ladies and gents, we do have a highly acclaimed honoree within the Best Payment Solution by a Vendor, which is indeed the final award within this category. And your highly acclaimed honoree is none other than ProgressSoft Corporation. And once again, we'd love to hear from Rawan Sudha, Director of Product Management.
Thank you to the Digital Banker for this acknowledgement, as it inspires us in our relentless pursuit of excellence and innovation in the payment space. Our Payments Hub solution has been instrumental in empowering banks to streamline their payments processes, enabling seamless transactions, and fostering growth. I wish to sincerely thank our exceptional team at ProgressSoft for their dedication, creativity, and hard work. This recognition fuels our determination to keep pushing the boundaries and continuously raising the bar. As we move forward, we remain committed to shaping the future of payments. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, Rawan. And that concludes that category. We'll move over to the People and Organization Awards momentarily, and then we will speed through the rest, and everybody will have a chance to accept the award and, of course, say a few words. I would just like to say that although this is our inaugural Global Payments Innovation Awards, we've seen a remarkable number of submissions come through. Of course, not all organizations that submitted were warranted a highly acclaimed or a win. But we want to thank all of you for undertaking the process. It is a lengthy process. Of course, thank you to our judges so far. We certainly see no signs of slowing down in the payments ecosystem, whether it's B2B or B2C. We work with a number of transaction banks across their payments infrastructure, across their payments initiatives. We also work with a lot of fintechs, startups going through sort of Series A, Series B funding, and of course those payment organizations that are collaborating with banks and really bringing digital payments, instant payments, cross-border payments to the fore. There's a remarkable investment in technology and VC funding as well. This is such an interesting space. It's a space that we ourselves are investing into in terms of research, insights, events, awards programs. And next year, we look forward to welcome you live in person through a 1-day or 2-day live summit followed by the awards gala. So please do ensure that you follow the Digital Banker, and of course, it will give you the opportunity to hear from all of our honorees in depth at a later stage as well. Ladies and gents, without further ado, please let's move over to the People and Organization Awards. And your only award within this category is for the Payments Professional of the Year. Now, I would love to introduce our winner here, which is, it's going to be Martha Salinas, who is the winner, but speaking on behalf of her, I believe, is Piers Gorman, who we heard from earlier on the symposium. He's a managing director for APAC. So congratulations, of course, to TreviPay. And Piers, over to you for a few words.
Well, thank you very much to Digital Banker for honouring Martha Salinas, our Chief Commercial Officer, as the Payments Professional of the Year. I'm truly honoured to be accepting this award on behalf of Martha. I'm lucky enough to have her as my line manager, so I can personally vouch for what an amazing payments professional and leader she is. Martha lives and breathes our values of tenacity, ingenuity, and empathy every day. Whilst Martha is unable to be here today, given the time zones, I know she'll want me to pass on her heartfelt thanks to the rest of the TreviPay team around the world that enables her and our organization to support our customers in achieving their growth ambitions. We are genuinely excited by the journey we are on and our purpose to help businesses grow. Thank you again.
Thank you very much. And that was, of course, Piers Gorman, MD of TreviPay, accepting the Payments Professional of the Year award for Martha Salinas. Thank you for representing Martha, and thank you for those words, Piers. Congratulations. We move over now, ladies and gents, to the country, regional and global awards. And this is our final large category. There are 8 honorees to give a spotlight to within this category this afternoon. And the very first is the Best Bank for Acquiring Services in Lithuania. I'd like to welcome your winner, Paystrax. And speaking on behalf of Paystrax is Johannes Ingi Kolbinison. I hope I pronounced your surname adequately there, Johannes, and congratulations. Johannes is, of course, the CEO and co-founder of Paystrax. Over to you for a few words.
Thank you very much. So it's an honor to be to receive this award. Paystrax is a rather young but successful payment card acquirer. We're based in Lithuania. We have offices in the UK and in Iceland, but we're providing services throughout the EA area and the UK. So again, thank you very much for the honor.
Thank you very much, Johannes, and congratulations to, of course, Paystrax. Our next winner within the Country, Regional, Global Awards category is for the Best FinTech for Payment Services in Europe. And your winner here is MangoPay. Congratulations to MangoPay. Ladies and gents, moving over now to the Best FinTech for Payment Services. Here we have a global winner. Unfortunately, has dropped from the call. Of course, these are the ins and outs of dialing people in from across the world. But this is for Trust Payments, and we were going to hear from Joe Fernandez, Content and Communications Manager. Rest assured, we'll be able to hear from Joe and get a little bit more insight on Trust a little later on. We would like to move over to a highly acclaimed honoree within the Best FinTech for Payment Services. This is, of course, global again. And your winner here is Sunrate. And joining us live is Darren Thang, who is the Head of Marketing. I believe Darren is going to give us a smile and a wave. But of course, as ever, Darren, if you wanted to say a few words, you're very welcome.
Yeah, hi everyone. Thanks for having me, and thank you, Digital Banker, for this award. Since 2016, Sunrate has been recognized as a global fintech. We are headquartered in Singapore, and we have been making strategic investments to enhance our cutting-edge products and services, such as international payments, global collection services, commercial card issuance, and even treasury management for businesses worldwide. A fun fact, we're actually principal member of both MasterCard and Visa Network. And really winning this award affirms our direction and vision, reinforcing our position as the leading cross-border B2B payment platform, especially for emerging markets. So once again, thank you, Digital Banker, for this recognition, and stay tuned for more exciting updates from Sunrate.
Superb. Thank you very much, Darren. Congratulations to Sunrate for the Best FinTech for Payment Services. And we're going to move over now, ladies and gents, to the Best Payment Gateways Provider in Europe. And here we have your winner, WL Payments, Celeris Pay, and the founder and CEO, Sunil Jamb, will accept this award on behalf.
Hello, I'm Sunil Jamb, founder and CEO of WL Payments and Celeris Pay. I'm truly honored to accept the Global Payments Innovation Award 2023 for the Best Payment Gateways Provider in Europe on behalf of my team. This recognition is a testament to our unwavering commitment to innovation and excellence in the payment space. I would like to extend my gratitude to the Digital Banker and the esteemed panel of judges for acknowledging our acquirer-agnostic payment orchestration platform. This recognition highlights the impact of our modular platform's conversion-boosting features. It warms my heart to inform that our payment orchestration platform has helped our merchants optimize their payments and achieve an increase of 15% in their success rate. This award belongs to the entire team whose passion, dedication, and innovation continue to drive our success. As we celebrate this achievement, we remain committed to pushing the boundaries in shaping the future of payments. We continue to live by our motto, we grow when our customers grow. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunil, and congratulations to WL Payments, Celeris Pay. Fantastic work, and we look forward to hearing more. Moving over now, ladies and gents, this is the number 6 out of 8 for the country, regional and global awards, and this is for the best payment provider, this time in Portugal. And joining us live is Tiago Mota, who is the CEO of PayShop. Congratulations to PayShop, and of course, over to you for a few words.
Thank you, and good evening, good morning, good afternoon to you all. It's really an honor to be amongst such a group of payment companies. First of all, thank you to the Digital Banker for organizing this event and these awards, but also a very big thank you to all of the PayShop team and our partners for getting us here. We are glad that this award is recognizing PayShop's vision of driving true financial inclusion and last mile payments to everyone. Both through our traditional services, PayShop is the largest agent-based network in Portugal, helping many users across the country to pay their bills in an easy and reliable manner, but through continuously launching new and innovative payment services, like a digital wallet, which is already used in more than 2,000 schools across the country, a digital payments gateway, new digital mass transit ticket solutions, and a wide array of new services like iGaming and entertainment vouchers, together with strong partners like PaySafe. Once again, thank you for this award. You can count on PayShop and on the CTT Group to keep innovating and transforming the payments landscape in Portugal.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Tiago. Apologies for the technical glitch there earlier, but great to hear from you, and congratulations to PayShop. We look forward to working with PayShop a little bit more and hearing more about the initiatives they're going to be driving over there in Portugal. Moving over to the penultimate honoree this evening or this afternoon, ladies and gents, is for the best payment provider, this time in the UK or United Kingdom, and the organisation is Remit Choice Limited. We were going to hear from Ansab Rizwan, the CEO, but Danish Azim has kindly accepted to step in on behalf. So congratulations to Remit Choice. And ladies and gents, moving over to our final award winner this evening. This is for the best payment provider global. And your winner here is Corpay Cross-Border Solutions. And once again, please join me in welcoming David Britton, the Managing Director of APAC.
Thank you. I'm honoured to accept the Best Payment Provider Global Award on behalf of Corpay Cross-Border Solutions. At Corpay, we partner with companies across many industries, helping them tackle the challenges of cross-border payments. And our experts enable our customers to streamline processes, eliminate barriers, and provide seamless transactions internationally. With our advanced risk management tools, we also help businesses control their currency risk. This recognition reflects our commitment to revolutionising the global payments landscape. I'd like to thank the Digital Banker for this prestigious honour. We will continue to innovate and provide efficient and secure global payment solutions to empower businesses worldwide. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, David, and of course, congratulations to Corpay for that remarkable achievement. Ladies and gents, all that's left to say from me is a big thank you to all of you that took part in this year's assessment cycle for the Global Payments Innovation Awards. As you know, it was our inaugural payments. It's certainly not going to be our only one. We will continue running this assessment program year on year, simply due to the overwhelming number of submissions we received. And again, as you can all see, it truly was a global platform. And it is our pleasure and honor introducing honorees and connecting honorees from various parts of the world to really talk about the initiatives, the trends, the opportunities, the themes that they're seeing, but also the work that the organization is really doing to drive innovation and create trailblazing initiatives across the global payments ecosystem. As I mentioned earlier on, it's an area of investment for us, so we look forward to providing you with a number of insights, with a high level of research. If you would like to speak to our journalists, to our research editors, to actually talk a little bit more in depth about your initiatives, to talk a little bit more about what your customers, whether they're B2B or B2C, can expect from your organization within the next 12 to 24 months, please get in touch with our teams. We look very forward to welcoming our next awards program and the winners who will be joining us live in Singapore, and that is of course for our flagship Global Retail Banking Innovation Awards. That is going to be, I believe, in its 6th year running now. So that will be hosted at the Raffles Hotel in Singapore on the 19th of October. Please keep a lookout for a number of other award programs we'll be running under our sister brand, the Global Private Banker. And to all of our honorees that took part in this Global Payments Innovation Awards program, we will be ensuring that all of your assets from this program are made public. Our job is to really bring your initiatives and your wins to the forefront of the industry, to make them known to our banking readers across retail banking, SME banking, wealth management units of the retail banks, transaction banks, and of course investment banks, and to the capital markets as well. So for us, we look forward to honouring you and celebrating your wins across our channels. Please keep a lookout over the next few days. You'll see a huge amount of activity. And once again, thank you all. It's been an absolute pleasure being your host this afternoon. My name's Nirav Patel. I'm the Managing Director of the Digital Banker. God bless. Thank you very much, and see you soon, ladies and gents. Bye-bye.